guys, my name is Rachel, also known as Queen Stang. So I got these custom fit floor mats for my 2018 Mustang Ecoboost, and right off the bat I was floored right when I opened them. As far as trying to choose from either WeatherTech or Husky, these were half the price. I think I like these more. They're waterproof, lightweight, and they're eco-friendly. These are from 3D Maxpider. I guess we're gonna throw them in my car now and see if they actually fit. Alright guys, just a quick review of this product. These were the custom fit floor mats for the 2018 Ecoboost Mustang from 3D Maxpider. I was sketched out buying these because there weren't any reviews, but they were half the cost of both WeatherTech and Husky. I'm extremely happy with how they fit in the car. They look great, and I'm very excited to put them to use. I'll catch you guys later.